Hey, how's everybody doing? I just want to show you the baby staff fan reed. I ain't showed him for a while. Here, I'll let you guys take a look at him, see what he's looking like. His eyes are finally changing colors. I'm getting to be that age. Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 flights on one side. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 flights on that side. Most of the staff fan reeds come with 10 or 11 flights. Some of them 12. I got one that's got 12. 12 flights with this bird, but this one's got 10 on one side, 11 on the other. The father has 11 and 11. It's an amazing, amazing baby.